In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to edit and remove the background of any image with Canva. So if you are new to my channel, please right now do well to click the subscribe button and also to like this video. So let's just go straight. So removing background of an image with Canva, it's only available for pro users. What do I mean by pro users? In Canva you have pro features and features that you can access as a free user. So and to be able to use the background remover feature in Canva, you have to have a Canva Pro. But never to worry if you don't have a Canva Pro. The video that is showing currently at the top of your screen is a video that I did for you to help you get Canva Premium for free that will take you for lifetime. As you can see here, this is what I'm using. I'm also using Canva Premium. I can access any pro version, so just do well to watch that video so you can get Canva Premium for free. So let's just go straight to what we are doing now. So first of all, let me just create a design, and I'm just going to be using social media post for it. Okay, let me just make use of this for the purpose of this video. Just make use of this. Okay, as you can see, it's up now and we have this image here. So we are just going to be making use of this image. So I'll be showing you how to remove the background of an image from with this image. So we are going to be removing the background of this image right now. So I'm just going to click on the image. So in case you have any image elsewhere, okay, and you want to import from your laptop, all you just need to go is to go over to upload. Then when you go to upload, you click upload files. It will pop out your files, your file manager, so you can upload your file there. So let's just go straight right to removing the background of this image. So what you just need to do now is to you can see over here, after clicking the image, you can see over here you have background remover. So you have background remover over here, so you are just going to tap it. So in Canva, anytime you see this icon like a crown, just know that that's a pro version. So and you can only access pro feature when you have a Canva Premium. So you can see after clicking it, the background of this image have been removed. So that's how easy it is. Just like I said, if you need a Canva Premium, the link to the video is also showing right at the top of your screen now. You can click to watch. Thank you.